You never know the outcome when you start. Our task was to design a spatial experience for Gaggenau, a space for Milan Design Week that makes the brand tangible with the meaning and the message of presence. For me, the forces that created those places of energy are pretty much the definition of inspiration. They are visible. I do think we can learn from those places. When you see the morning sun touching the mountaintops, it's something just outstanding. It has to do with my own story, my own attitude as a designer and as a human being. It's a delicate process of discovery. For doing that, we need a team to create the conceptual foundation. I do think presence is defined by many things that are not intellectually perceived, but more on an emotional level. What we created for Gaggenau sparks a moment of presence in a physical as well as in an emotional way.